Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook with using Android phone. So let's get started our video. Before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, first of all, launch on your Facebook application. After launch on your Facebook application, then tap on the top right corner menu bar option. OK. Then scroll down. And after scroll down you get settings and privacy option. Just tap on settings and privacy. OK. Now tap again settings option here. And then scroll down. After scroll down you get privacy settings here. Just tap it and then scroll down. After scroll down you get who can see your friend list. Look at this, who can see your friend list. Just tap on it and then tap on see more option and then select only me. Wait for a few moments, then it's OK. And now your friend list is hide. So in this way you can hide your friend list on Facebook very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.